Welcome to today's video tutorial on how to convert your Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer to a direct extruder.
Hit it.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to upgrade your Anycubic Kobra Max to make it even better as a 3D printer. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need Allen wrenches, wire cutters, and a direct extruder adapter designed by Troy on printables.com. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you have all these tools ready before we begin. Now let's start by turning off the 3D printer and unplugging it from the power source. Make sure there isn't any filament inside of the hot end. If there is, remove it before starting the conversion. We'll start by cleaning off the printer with some air. Make sure there's no excess filament or dust around the printer. Use the Allen wrench to unscrew the bolts holding the extruder and stepper motor in place, and gently detach it from the printer. Sit them to the side. We'll be using them for this install. Disconnect the MCU wire harness from the hot end connection. Unscrew the 4 screws in the rear of the hot end and remove the cover. Be careful to safely detach the hot end and part cooling fans from the hot end board. Loosen the top left wheel on the hot end gantry. Next, let's take a look at the direct extruder adapter. It's designed to use all existing hardware and additional M3 screws and nuts. This adapter needs to be printed accurately. So if you don't have a printer that can precisely print it, you can head over to PCBWay. Their services are perfect for applications like this. I have a project that I'm working on this actual printer. They'll be manufacturing the part for me. I'll keep you guys updated with that in future videos. The link to PCBWay is in the description. Make sure to follow the next step of the instructions carefully when assembling a new extruder. Squeeze the nuts into the adapter.
That sounds painful.
Snug it into place and connect it to the gantry by using the 2 zip tie holes with the M3 screws and nuts. Then tighten the wheel on the gantry. Disconnect the tubing from the hot end. Measure the extruder hole and take note of this measurement. Connect the extruder and stepper motor to the direct extruder adapter by using the 3 original screws. Measure the distance between the nozzle on the extruder and the hot end. Take notes of this as well. Then disassemble the extruder. Place the tubing back into the hot end. Add both of your noted measurements together. Mark the tubing with the measurement and cut it. Reattach the extruder to the adapter and connect the tubing. Don't forget to reapply the tubing clips. Attach the hot end cover, then reconnect the fans, hot end, and wire harness. You'll also need an extended stepper motor wire to connect the extruder motor. I replaced my already modified cover with the Hero Me Gen 7 hot end mod. I'll leave a link in the description below for this. After the upgrade, you'll want to calibrate the E-steps on your extruder. 3D Jake has a great video explaining the process for Clipper and Marlin based printers. I'll leave a link in the description for that video as well as one right here. And there you have it. Your Anycubic Kobra Max is now equipped with a direct extruder ready to take your 3D printing to the next level. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy printing, people. I'll see you in the next video.